wannabe. You just a bad wannabe. She like it how I move. Yeah, I'm in my back, she in hers too. Don't get confused. I'll send a nigga to God, it ain't no rule. Like, okay.
What's up, y'all? It is now currently 1:23. I think my plane departs at 5. We're gonna see who's gonna pick me up from the airport. Maybe Ashley or Kaya. Not sure yet. So I got my bag, and it is 8:14, and now I'm just waiting on Ashley to get here. Guys, my best friend is literally 7 minutes away from where I am. Her location is moving, but she's 2 miles away from me. I miss her. A bitch made it. Finally.
The next morning.
Okay, hey y'all, what's up? It's day 2 of my Litlando vlog. Not vlog, I was about to say vlogmas. Vlog. And right now I'm getting ready to go to the mall. Kind of little bitches. I'm waiting on Kaya. She should be here any minute now.
Niggas money don't impress me. Bitch, I'm attracted to guns, bitch. Guns, bitch. And I'm attracted to my guns. Why that bitch look?
Hey y'all, so we on the way to her Airbnb to go to the event. That's all.
I think I want to twerk.
There's some drama going on at the event. It's some shit, man. I said, what's the act? Oh, he said that. It's getting crazy out here, y'all. We're missing out on all the drama, bro. Y'all! We're missing out on everything right now. Shit's crazy. We're leaving. I feel bad for Duchess and they just pulled up. We are out and we're out. No, we're gonna see. We're gonna try to figure this out. Hold on. Hey y'all, so it is day 3. Right now I'm about to be on my way to Daytona Beach and link up with my girl Key down there and the boys Jamon and Quan. So hopefully that goes well. This trip has literally just not been what it's supposed to be, but let's just hope everything today goes as planned. It's my last full day here, so yeah. So we here, y'all.
Hey y'all, go follow me on Instagram _KYNJ.J.
Yeah, go to that. Go to that.
And subscribe.
Yeah, go to that. Go to that. Oh my God. Yo, they just out here doing anything. Like a haircut.
We're doing a haircut.
They got the baby out here. They scared. Y'all, it's too much fun. Say hey, y'all.
It's the kid, SG Quantum-Man, aka Quantum-Man, aka Sauce. Y'all know.
Yeah.
I know it, Big Polo. Y'all know me, man. It's not like you don't know me, boy. You know me, man.
Y'all don't know him. Say nah. Y'all, we here at the beach. Doing what a bad bitch do.
Video ideas right now.
Then we gotta be what a people call
It's giving black. It's giving black. Why are you smoking in a public That's black.
Real Zop.
That's
Real
black.
Zop.
That's ghetto.
That is ghetto, very.
The view low-key look cool, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all missed all the action.
That shit hurt my feelings.
Y'all ugly.
I don't even want to vlog, but that shit hurt my feelings.
Now let me get the camera and talk my shit.
That shit hurt
Give
my
me this
feelings.
shit. You know, a real nigga on this shit. You already know Big
You
Polo
talking
J.
like
You know what I'm saying?
going to Orlando.
The realest ever. Man, shut up when I'm talking. But listen,
All I'm saying
you know, really the realest. I'm like high as fucking these people shit. But look at old Peter Judd though.
I've been here for
Call
hours.
me
my
Mr.
guy.
Put it on. Wear out these clothes. And I got the haircut too. Stop playing. Real nigga shit.
Blah, blah, blah. Why we ended up in the tattoo shop? We trying to get a tattoo. Y'all know why though? It's because we're black. It's right here. It's because we're fucking black. He's like, what do you guys want? What? He's like, what y'all want? Hello? He's like, hello? Them niggas don't know how to tie on no black skin anyway.
Watch you did though.
No, I don't think so. Have Broadway singing in the pussy like a
Put a
funeral.
ring on it like Tom Brady at the Super Bowl.
At the Super Bowl,
I'm real
pretty as the Diddy took a jet to a private island on a day with I like bad boys, no whole shit. Diddy let me put it in your face like them. For all the inspiring YouTubers out there, just make sure y'all record everything. Don't stop the camera from rolling because I done missed out so much.
Be consistent.
I done missed out on so much. And I barely have any videos, any content.
Yeah, me.
So,
And just be consistent. That's it, all.
yeah. Keep posting. Don't give up. Give up, bitch. It's not working. I want to hear my song.
No. I heard it already.
Real pretty, what's a bitty, bitch, I never get touched.
I said, no, Cece trying to be a rapper.
Yeah, ho.
You a rapper, bro?
Yeah, not too much. I got in a booth real quick.
Don't play with me.
I had to, you know,
Going
show these
platinum.
toes. A bitch could
Going
never
platinum.
upstage me. And I write my own raps, baby.
Love Ghost Rider.
Yeah. And I'll be at ATL Deli. I order my food, so I don't know why it's not fucking doing it. Can I have a wing?
Fuck no.
Bro, you got 15 wings. You can give me one. I'll give you.
Then I'm gonna eat 14
I'm gonna
weeks.
give it back to you.
No, what
When I
flavor you
get mine, I got the same.
Bro, yours not gonna hit the same, bro. Mine's got that perfect 5-minute 80s to it.
Come on.
That's gonna be hot.
Bitch, I don't.
It's hot. No,
Yeah,
yeah, you finna get the big ass
yeah,
wing.
you got me fucked up. I want a drum.
No, because I barely got any. I'm low. The
That's
drums
why
every
you
time only
order
a little
all
bit.
drums. I order all drums, and if they not all drums,
I
I'm
was
gonna.
thinking that, bro.
That's why you
When they make
just
it big, should do
dumb.
that.
Huh?
When they make it big, should do that.
Probably, but I don't give a fuck. I don't like flags. Ain't no meat on that bitch. Y'all, did y'all enjoy yourself at the beach day?
No.
Yeah.
So here we got Polo J.
Hey, how you doing?
Okay. Question: When did you start making music?
Like 2018. I was asked though.
Okay. And why do you make music?
I should be easy. And
Right. What's your favorite thing to rap about?
killing niggas and drugs.
What did he say? AKA SG Quano, man.
What that nigga?
So when did you start YouTube?
About a year ago, I was so ass and ugly.
You was ugly?
Yeah. I had no life.
Well, we see a lot of things haven't changed. So,
Chill out. Chill out.
why do you do YouTube? What made you want to start doing YouTube?
Man, one day, I seen this nigga called Billy TV. You probably know who that is. I was like, oh shit, he's saucing the females like this. That's something I could do, you feel me? So I was like, man, it's the easy way to feed my fans. So I started YouTube.
Facts.
Oh, bro, go watch my other videos, bro. Like, I think that's at 5K now. It might be more.
Yeah, make sure y'all go like, comment, and subscribe on this shit. Big shit popping, no little shit stopping. What? Your wings are gone. I hate that for you, bro.
You're the only one that get You're the only one that get your food yet. I hate that for you.
Big shit. Big shit popping, no little shit stopping. Nigga.
I hate that for you.
But let me tell y'all, This girl that did my nails, she about to be my new nail tech because I fuck with her. She's a cool bitch, and I like cool bitches. You know, she did the fuck out of my nails. Can I have a wing, bro? You weird as fuck with my baby, bro. Just fuck that baby.
You ugly.
I ain't trying to do it. And then get my weed if I punch you through the fucking window.
Come get your lick back, bitch. Lick back. Come get it back in blood, hoe.
Get my shit by screen. And I get as loud as I can right now because I don't care. This ain't my city.
This girl was dumb. Bitch, what you saying at, bitch?
You pigeon with ears.
Where don't come from?
I tried to tell this dumb hooligan that it ain't no soap in the bathroom. She don't want to listen. But it's okay. She ain't got to listen. Now look at her. Dumb. Can't be mad because I'm outside. Really outside, though. I'm really hanging on. Oh, shit.
Hey, y'all. We are now just getting ready to go to the club. It gives, Playboy Bunny. Yeah. Y'all, we out here. Say hey, everybody. My security guards. They're my security guards, y'all. We in downtown Orlando right now, so I'm a little drunk.
Is the lighting good?
No.
No, do you want me to take the picture? Let me take a picture of both of y'all.
Like, for real, this really my bitch. We live together, got a whole scene. Like, yeah. Back up, bitch. Damn. Yo, I'm drunk. This is embarrassing, like, for real.
He said normally he'll
Y'all say hi to my vlog.
He said normally.
Everybody say hi to my vlog. We all drunk out of this.
Why I'm walking out of the road?
If this nigga don't get the fuck up out of here, when the daddy's gonna go to see him. Like,
Who the fuck got them drunk? Tell me, y'all. Who the fuck got them drunk?
I'm going to send the fuck out of this nigga. If he don't get the fuck out of here, like, for real. She love being in my vlog. She gonna be all in my video, for real. Yeah. It gets very much thick. It gets, it was a feel, but it definitely gets thick. We finna go to jail. Right, we go to jail. Police. Like fucking police. Fuck 12. Fuck police. Hurry up, black boy nigga free. Y'all black boy nigga free. What the fuck? Fuck nigga free. Yeah, play F in that for real.
For real.
Eat fuck nigga free. Daddy, I ain't gotta work. That bitch all the way up too. Bro. You know
free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. I 500, not the window with my ratchet. Sling gun, L-R-E-E. Free. That mean I ain't gotta worry about no cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E again. I 500, not the window with my ratchet. Sling gun.
bro, what the
Who phone?
CC already has some.
Somebody take another shot.
Nobody want no.
Hey, the content is crazy. The content.
On the concrete is crazy. On the concrete is crazy.
The
Look.
content,
Wait, let me see.
nigga.
She's bouncing on that.
Fuck the concrete, it's the content. Fuck is you saying? Y'all niggas better like, comment, subscribe. Do what the fuck I say. Yo, last night was crazy. You can see me. This last night was wild. Like, you could just tell. Look at me. So, what's up, y'all? I'm here at the airport. I'm about to go the fuck home. Yeah. We going home. Not my fucking glasses, bro.
Not the water that Jay asked for under the seat, not even drunk in.
Okay, bitch, love you.
Bye, love you.
I'm gonna text you when I get home. Y'all, I'm in the airport now. On this trip, I lost my tripod. Broke glasses. Lost a pair of glasses. But it was definitely worth it. It was fun. And now I'm going home.